Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to enable 48 megapixels on camera on iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. So let's do it. So first I will show you something. If you will go to the camera and you will take a picture. Okay, now let's go to the picture and go to the details. And as you can see, this picture has only 12 megapixels. Okay, now to enable 48 megapixels, just go to the settings and here go down and go to camera. Here there is, and we have here formats, and here you need to enable Apple Pro RAW. And as you can see, now Pro RAW resolution is 48 megapixels. Now let's go back to the camera, just open the camera and here just tap here to enable RAW and let's take another photo. And now if you will go to the photo details, you will see that this has 48 megapixel resolution. So it's not so hard. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, but also be careful that these 48 megapixels photos will take a lot of space from your iPhone. Okay, so this was for today. See you to the next. Have a nice day.